Once upon a time, in the deep blue sea, lived a friendly hero named Aqua. Aqua was not an ordinary fish, he was the king of the sea. Every day, he swam through the coral reefs, greeting his underwater friends. One sunny day, Aqua noticed something unusual. A small, lost fish was trapped in a net. He quickly swam towards the fish, using his powerful tail. With a big smile, Aqua freed the little fish from the net's tight knot. The grateful fish thanked Aqua, and the two new friends swam together. They visited the sunken ship, where Aqua showed the little fish the treasures it held. The little fish was amazed, learning about the ship's history from Aqua. After their adventure, they reached the bright surface of the sea. Aqua and his new friend parted ways, promising to meet again. The little fish returned home, telling everyone about the kind king of the sea. From that day on, Aqua continued to explore the deep blue sea, always ready for another adventure. And every time he saw a fish in trouble, he wouldn't hesitate to lend a helping fin. That's how Aqua, the friendly king of the sea, became a hero in the eyes of everyone. The end.